Hey programmers, in this video we are going to see some basic information about Python. First of all, if you want to print any value or any string, you want to use print statement. Okay, I am using the print statement and printing some value. I am running the program. Here you get the output as 2. Now I am printing string. I am printing as hello. Now I am running this program. Here you can see hello is not defined. You get an error. Here one thing you want to observe, in print statement if you are using string, you should enclose with single quotation, double quotation or triple quotation. First of all I am using single quotation. I am running this program. Here you get correct answer hello. Now I am using double quotation. I am typing as hello world. I am running this program. Here you get the perfect output. You can use triple quotations also. I am now typing hello, welcome to YouTube. Okay, I am running this program. Here you can observe in triple quotation you get double quotation hello, welcome to YouTube and double quotation. Why? Because here I am while typing I typed single quotation first and I used double quotation and double quotation and single quotation. Here triple quotation while you typing you want to use single quotation 3 times and here also. Now I am running this program. Here you get the perfect answer hello welcome to YouTube. Now observe one thing. First of all I want to print hello. In next line I want to print world. In this case we want to use some escape values \n. Now I am running this program. Here you get the hello and in next line you get the world. In this case I want to give a tab space between hello and programmers. Here I am running this program. Here you get no space. What we type in this string you get the output. Here I want to give space between hello and programmers. In this case we want to use \t. Here I am running this program. Here you get the tab space between hello and programmers. And another thing is I am now printing hello world. In this case if you want only world I does not need hello. In this case we want to use \r. R means carriage return. Okay, I am running this program. Here you get only world. Now I want to print hello 10 times. I am typing hello hello like this 10 times you can type, but 100 times 200 times it's more difficult. In this case we want to use I am multiplying hello with 10 and I am running this program. Here you get the output 10 times hello. If you want 200 times you also get hello 100 times. If you want to print hello vertically you use /n. I am running this code. Here you observe hello 100 times. Like this you can use this escape values. If I need space between hello hello hello, in that case I am using /t. I am running this program. Here you get the tab space between hello hello hello. Now we want to see comments. Now I want to print hello, and next thing I want to print 2 into 10. Next I want to print welcome. Okay, now here what be the output? Check once. Here you get output as hello and 20 and welcome is perfect. I no need here 20 for some time. After that I need 20. In that case, if hash symbol. What is mean by hash means in Python we have comments. In languages we have single line comments and multi-line comments, but in Python we have only single line comments. Mostly comments are used for to understanding the code. Now I am running this program. Here only you get the hello and welcome. If any other members reading this code, he will easily understand by seeing the commands. 2 is multiplying with the 10. Adding 2 plus 3, and I am running this program. Here we get the answer. Here I am using command. This is sum, and next case I am printing 3 minus 2. I am here using subtraction. Okay, now I am using multiplication. I am running this program. Here you get the answers 5, 1, 6. It's perfect. And I am using division. I am running this program. Here you can see you get the output as 2.0, that is float type. Why? Because this is normal division. Normal division indicates float, and I am using same values. I am here used integer division. Now I am running this program. Here you get the value only 2, but in uppercase you get the float value, but here you get only integer value because we used integer division. Now I am going to use mod division. In mod division you get the remainder value. See, once I am running this program, here you get the 1 as output. This is the remainder value for 3 divided by 2. Now if I want to print 2 square, in this case I want to use 2 into 2. Okay, here you get the answer of 4. But if I need 5 times 2 power 5, it's you can do 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. If I need 2 power 10, in this case you want to use another multiplication. Now I am running this program. 1024, it's working. In this video we see some basic information about Python. By next video we are going to see variables in Python. If you have any doubts, ask me in comment section, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to clicking on bell icon.